I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And we have with us again our two student interns.
Hi, I'm Miranda.
Hi, I'm Carlina.
What are we making today?
We are making wobbly penguins.
Oh, cute.
Like it?
Me too.
So before we get started, I thought that we could do a penguin breath today. So I'm going to show you first, and just while I show you, I'm going to have my hands up here. But when you do it, I want you to put your arms straight down. But your hand should be by your side, and you're going to breathe in and bring those shoulders up. And then when you breathe out, you can waddle your hands down. Okay, so why don't we all try together? Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right, good job.
Thanks, that was
Felt like a
fun.
wobble penguin.
Yeah, I love it. What supplies are we going to need?
A paper plate, black or orange paint or markers, stapler or tape.
Great. So what is the first step?
So the first step is going to be just to take a paper plate and cutting it in half.
Okay. And remember, if you need help with scissors, please ask a friend or parent or caregiver.
Good job.
Okay.
Perfect.
And then what's the next step?
So the next step, you're going to take the two pointy sides and you'll fold it in so that they meet. So it turns your paper plate into a cone shape.
Okay.
Just like that. And in order to hold it together, this is where you're going to want to use your tape or your stapler.
Okay. There we go, like that.
Perfect.
Looks like a cone or a hat.
Yeah.
Little party hat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then what's next?
So next, we are going to paint the sides of the penguin black. So you're just going to do a little bit on the sides.
Okay.
And you can decide like how big you want the wings or how small.
Okay. You just want to keep some of the white showing for the,
Right.
okay. While we're painting, I have a little joke for you.
Oh.
Hey.
And that joke is, what do you call a cold penguin?
What do you call a cold penguin?
A bird.
I like that.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
So before we began our craft, I was looking up some fun facts to find out about penguins. So would you like to hear a fun fact?
Oh, yes.
Mhm.
And it relates to their penguin feet, how we did our breath with pretending our arms were our feet. So penguin feet are made to walk long distances. And some species can walk up to 60 miles on sea ice.
Wow.
And yeah, 60
That's
miles.
so cool. Yeah.
And they
That's-
use their feet like rudders when they're swimming, so that their feet help them like control their direction and steer which way they want to go. So their feet are really important.
Wow.
Isn't that
That's
interesting?
awesome.
Yeah. Huh.
That's really interesting.
Thank you, Peggy.
Yeah.
Okay, I've painted mine.
Okay.
Yeah, mine's almost done. And then after we have their wings, what's next?
What's next?
You can take your orange paint now and create the beak. So
Okay.
any way you want to draw their little nose, Mine's gonna look like a little upside down triangle. And then you also wanna use that orange paint, draw feet right at the bottom.
Okay, and if you don't have paint, markers work great too.
Yeah, perfect.
Or you can always mix it up and do black paint and orange markers if it's easier.
Yes. And once again, I couldn't find a paintbrush, so like you, Miranda, we're using Q-tips, which we've learned are great substitutes for paintbrushes.
They work great.
I'm having a hard time keeping my hand off the black paint when I'm drawing the
I know.
feet.
All right, did that.
I gotta do my feet.
That looks great.
Thank you.
Then you're
Yeah,
just
Peggy, my hands are completely black right
You know,
now.
but you didn't get yours on the penguin. I got mine on the. That's okay.
Oh.
I think I'll cover it with an eye.
That's a good idea.
perfect. And the eyes is just the last step. So whenever you're ready for it, you can use a marker or your paint again and just make your eyes on top.
Okay, and if you have googly eyes, you can do that.
Yep, I have some googly eyes. I'm gonna hopefully glue them on.
Oh, it's so cute. Look at,
It is cute.
it comes out so nice. I love it.
Yeah.
I really
Um,
like this because it's so easy.
It's easy and you could do a whole bunch and have a little family or
Ye-
friends.
Yeah, and one paper plate makes two.
Oh yeah.
I kind of was when I was doing my nose, I was trying to do the upside triangle, but like I'm not used to that, so I did it like a regular triangle, and then it got bulkier. So now
Oh,
it's just a
look,
really
cute.
big nose. Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to put my googly eyes on later, but I think for now, I'll just,
Yes.
Perfect.
And it dries pretty quickly as well.
Yeah, it does. And then you can just wobble them around like this. Thank you so much for showing us this video.
Yeah.
Also, I just want to add that today is Miranda's last day as our intern. So thank you so much for contributing and leading breathing exercises and being part of all this. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
we've enjoyed having you with us. We're gonna miss you on our craft videos, but you can keep watching them.
Yes, because if
Yeah.
you'd like to keep watching them along with everyone else, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye.